morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. We are back. It is Tuesday, so hope you guys enjoyed the long weekend. Hope you had a good Labor Day. Hope you had a good time with family. Hope you enjoyed it. But in the same breath, hope you're back and you're ready to roll. We'll say now I'm going to leave just a little bit early today. We got the anatomy scan for Zoe this morning at like 10:20, 10:30, something like that. So I need to leave like 10 minutes early and we're going to go see the baby. So we're excited about that.
Hyre.
What's up, everybody?
Hyre.
Hey, Gerard, good morning. Discipline, good morning. I like the Dr. Pepper. I love it. Let me start some music up real quick. Jordan, good morning. Mr. Owens, Mick, Florida Trader. What is up? How's it going?
VRAX. Bosk. Hyre.
Anything going on this morning? My second button came unbuttoned.
LTRY.
All right, so news.
SPRO. A.
Hyre. Okay, cool. Cool.
Bosk.
So if you didn't already see it, post in the community tab on the YouTube. But, oh my bad, bro. Forgot to post it in MTA. My bad. Okay, anywho, speaking of MTA, if you are an Inner Circle member and you link your Discord to your YouTube within Discord, you get exclusive access to a new channel in MTA. So, it's just called the Inner Circle. It'll be a new room. Only you guys will get to talk in there. And also at the same time, you get a little emblem next to your name that says the Inner Circle. So that'll be cool. Figured I'd add a little bit extra. Thank you guys for the support. You know, make it a little bit more worth your while to support the channel. So if you do link it, you will get exclusive access to a channel just for you guys. And you get an emblem next to your name. That's my emblem that says the Inner Circle. What we got going on here? Oh man. All right, I think everything's good now. You're late because, yep, I forgot to post it. My bad. My bad, bro. You guys have a good weekend? I feel like I'm just waking up, like I'm kind of out of it. So Hyre is the top gainer. All good, sweet. So that's Hyre. So they got a $100 million revolving line of credit from a premier global investment bank and Medalist Partners. Okay. anticipate significant fleet growth. So that's good overall for the company of Hyre. Hey, Mike, what's up? Yeah, it was a bit cloudy here too. What's up, brother? One day or a couple days were warm, but most days were like an overcast. Yesterday it rained a little bit, like actually on Labor Day, so. Sorry, I'm trying to fix something with the Discord real quick. Give me just a second. My weekend was good. We didn't do a whole lot. We chilled. It was my wife's birthday weekend as well. So, on her birthday, we just kind of chilled here. We did a birthday cake. And then on Sunday, we went out to a Mexican restaurant, which is her, like, one of her favorite restaurants. Yeah, I did a few fantasy football drafts over the weekend. I think I got like 3 teams going on this year. Got a couple good picks in. I'm gonna log in so show you guys if it slows down a little bit. My teams. So Hyre is really the only thing going right now, I guess. So that Ecom's up. It's a $22 stock. It's only got 36K volume. Isee, that's one that's been in play. Hey, Snacks, what's up? What up, what up? So did you see the DWAC thing? So apparently they did not get the funding to continue listing before they merge with True Social on DWAC. And then I read a little bit deeper into it and saw that it said the vote's not till later today. So we'll see what turns out there. But they were saying, you know, that they were not getting any or enough votes for continued listing or something like that, or enough shareholder approval. I guess that means votes. I don't know. I feel like every time DWAC has bad news, that they come out with good news after. Like every time it has a gap down day, something happens to where it rips and squeezes the shorts. But it's really bad now. I mean, it was already at 25. It's at 1975. It's at as low as it's been since what, the first day. So yeah, it's not looking too hot. Oh, I don't. Oh, APDN news was at 8. So APDN having a monkeypox PR. Full approval from New York Department of Health for their monkeypox kit. Is monkeypox even still a thing, or was that just kind of a buzz thing and now it's over? APDN's up decent on it. I mean, this one's been in play, so it has the potential to squeeze.
URG. SNCR.
A little bit of an outlier there, but it does have a trend line that it's trying to get over. It's been kind of a falling wedge on the daily. Over 3, which is where it's at right now. It's got the body right here. 315, it's already through that. So 330 is the wick, which is at right now. So first target will be 350 to 4. If it catches, you know, we'll see. No one gets suspended mid-trade. Yeah, I gotcha.
SPRO.
Appreciate you guys showing up this morning. We are back. We're ready. We're a little tired. This thing's acting like it wants to go a little bit, but
Hyre.
I think it's just gonna refresh there. So Hyre's still the top gainer. Went to 140. Rejected a little bit there. The person who tried to buy that first candle got absolutely wrecked on APDN. Went up to 363 and sold all the way back to 290 in the same candle. And then it took several candles later just to ramp back up. So if you missed what I was talking about a minute ago, if you are a Inner Circle member, if you link your Discord to your YouTube, you'll get an automatic roll called the Inner Circle. It'll give you this emblem next to your name, which is the Inner Circle emblem. And also you'll have access to the Inner Circle channel here, which is just for you guys. Whoa. My Discord just got insanely huge.
SDC.
Oh my god, why does it keep doing that? It's like making the Discord insanely huge. It's because I'm trying to cross different monitors. Okay, let's try this one more time. Right over this way, straight up. Nope. Oh my gosh. Go away. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are having some technical difficulties today. Can't even drag Discord across 2 screens without it absolutely trying to explode.
NCLH.
All right, we'll just leave that away. Alna, yeah, 8 cents right now, down 22%.
Boss.
Ruby's up.
GMT.
Put up to go here. Let's see if it goes. A couple bidders came in, 340, 339. And they, oh my God. Well, we're still in the thick of it. You just saw that. That was like 15,000 in bids. That was stacked, had good bid support, got up above 340, and they washed every bit of them. Disgusting. So that shows you, I mean, you still got to sell as quick as you possibly can. If you're up 5 cents, take it and run, because you get stuff like that. Breakout, good volume, good bid support, and absolutely wash. Pretty sad. Pretty sad. Now, it could walk its way back up, but that's not the price action we're trying to trade. Bid support plus volume plus breakout level is breakout, not, you know, wash an insane amount of bids out, flush down, you know, curl back up, box it up, whatever it wants to do. Yeah. Yep. Another month. Hopefully, hopefully it's okay. Just okay. I'll be alright with. Hyre may be the candidate for, you know, kind of sold off at open and get a good bounce. Looks like it's trying to fade already. It's a little early for that, though. But if it opens like around 110, it'd be nice.
Hyre.
But here's my fantasy league. I'm alright with them. I'm not like in love with it, but I'm blocking half of it with my face cam. Got Herbert and Eckler combo. Fournette, Mike Evans, Juju Smith is kind of up in the air. Is that going to be Patrick Mahomes' #1 receiver? I don't know. Is it going to be Marquez Valdez-Scantling? Is it going to be somebody else? I don't know. But Tyreek Hill's gone, so he needs another #1. Is it going to be this guy? I don't know. Kyle Pitts. He should still be good. Thielen is just always the backside to Justin Jefferson. So if they're going to double Justin Jefferson, they got Thielen. And then I got Bills D and Justin Tucker. So not bad. This league, not feeling great about it. I got Hurts, but I think he'll have a great year. Connor's pretty good. J.K. Dobbins is up in the air. Got Jamar Chase and Stephon Diggs, though, so this is my best two. Hawkinson, Pittman, hopefully has a breakout year with Matt Ryan. And then last one. We got Herbert again. Dalvin Cook. Antonio Gibson is always like, is he going to be good or is he not? Devontae Adams still going to be great. Mike Evans is good as long as Brady's there, or without Brady. He gets 1,000 yards a season. Kittle, Thielen, I think it'll be all right.
Isee.
So Apdn, after we saw that ugly action here, just completely ugly, disgusting, selling off straight off the cliff. So Hyre, I'm waiting to see if first pullback's the top or if first pullback's actually going to push higher. No pun intended. So there's only been 2 candles in Apdn that have been overall green volume for 5 minutes. The first one was overall red, and then the last 2 were overall red. It should have went on the candle that had it. That was the breakout. That was the volume breakout. It had bounced off the 9 on the 1, broke out of a flag. Volume increasing, bid support increasing, absolute smack. Yeah, we'll see if it holds this zone here. Not on the 5 and VWAP. If it doesn't, it may just be a fader all the way to open.
KC.
KC. Premarket lows. Ooh. Does that mean Baba's down today? Yeah, so China must be down today. What happened with China? I don't specifically see anything. So Bed Bath & Beyond gap down. I'm sure you guys saw over the weekend that the CFO jumped from a building in New York City. So it down 16% on that. It's not good. I don't know why I have a 650 horizontal line, but it literally went straight to it and tapped it this morning. Pretty ugly though. Sucks for the guy. I mean, well, sucks for the guy's family. It's the guy's own decision, unless he got shoved out the window, which I hope not. So Ecom looks like a buyout. I'm not even gonna look at it because I'm almost positive it is. So ISEE, nice volume here, trending upwards, following overall trend, and then it got to 745, and something just turned on. So out green volume up, buying pressure up, and then algo turn or whatever happened, short attack, whatever you want to say. And then just complete death.
Ruby.
Look at SPY this morning. SPY, it had an ugly, ugly, ugly sell-off at the end of Friday. Around right after noon. So we opened up, pulled back a little bit, bounced, and it looked like we were going to end strong and have a trend day to continue up. And then at noon, it was just, let's sell for the weekend. And it triggered and it triggered and it triggered and it triggered all the way down to 390. So we went from 400 to 390 within 4 hours. So now This daily line's starting to make a little bit more sense. Why am I still hearing Discord noises?
CMCM.
So SPY, if it doesn't hold this zone, it's free range to 380 in my opinion. But if we do hold, continue pushing up, push up through here, push up through here, we're good to go.
INM.
You know, you know that, hold on, 8:30 news, what do we got?
RBPH.
MDGS, increase of 211% revenue year over year. They made 1.4 million. It's not insane. The headline reads okay. Is it worth taking 1,000? I don't know. Huge FDA and Health Canada clear IND for SSD Pharma to proceed with phase 2 trial. Miss Scallon, is that how you say your name? Welcome to the Inner Circle. Thank you. Welcome in. You got the green name now.
Pixie.
You got the icon next to your name. And now that I added it yesterday, you get access to an exclusive room in MTA. So welcome in. Thank you. So on Discord, you just need to go to your Discord settings and go to connected accounts and then link your YouTube. And then I think the YouTube bot will periodically check for members to see if you guys are in. And it'll give you the role.
4. Hyre. Hoth. Hyre.
So yeah, it says 3 members right now. Me, and I think Jen, it gave one already. And I don't know who else just linked, but somebody else just got it too.
Hyre.
Appreciate it. Welcome in. Thanks for the support. So MDGS had the news. It's not really doing anything. Did Huge do anything on that news? No. B-Hat has a new operation partner. Yo, Steven with the 10 gifted memberships.
WHLR.
Appreciate you, bro. Thanks for helping out. Thanks for donating. My man. And you need to make sure that you go to the settings. So let me pull it up and show you guys here.
Hold.
We're gonna have like a little Twilight Zone here. But if you go to join here underneath, make sure you click on the 3 dots and put gift settings and go to allow gifts on this channel.
Ruby.
I don't know who it gave them to yet, but they're there. And also you can go at the top of the chat where Steven donated, where Wallace donated, and click on that gift, and it'll say allow as well. Yeah, I have no idea who it even give to. I wish that it updated my little widget at the top whenever I got gifted. There we go. John got one. They're finally starting to come through. I wonder why it's taking so long. Usually it just pops them right out. Yeah, JD, you got yours on now, right? Good morning. Good morning, by the way. Good morning. Yeah, it's taking its sweet time to give them out today. Oh no. Yeah, that Boba, that's the same thing that was happening to JD. Like there was a brand account or something. But yeah, it should say either when you click on where Steven says it gifted 10, you click allow gifts and it shows, or if you go underneath where you're watching it, click join, click 3 dots, and it should say allow gifts. Gift settings and then allow gifts. Hopefully more than one person gets the gifted subs.
INM.
Gift settings are allowed. Maybe it's just taking a minute. There we go. Making sales. Welcome in. Yeah, YouTube is like asleep this morning.
Hyre.
Be sure everybody that gets them to link your Discord and your YouTube so you get access and you get the emblem. Making sales. Green name, baby. Jordan, is yours on? Mick, is yours on? I know you guys are here every day. Florida Trader. Mr. Owens. Maybe YouTube's just taking its sweet time, but wow. Alright, am I missing anything? I feel like I'm not. I feel like I'm really not. So Hyre was the dip zone. So it did hold the 9 on the 5. Be what? Boba. There you go. There you go. It's just taking its sweet time. You don't see allow? So if you're on the YouTube channel, let me go back to it one more time to show you guys. If you're on the YouTube channel, on chat here, and you click join, and you click on these 3 dots, and go to gift settings, it should say allow gifts on this channel. If you're on mobile, I think you just have to click on the little gift at the top that shows. Sorry, we're a little off topic this morning, but YouTube's acting very finicky. Are you on, oh, okay. Yeah, so, yeah, in the chat box, you can do that. It's on. Okay, sweet.
Cold.
Yeah, we've still got plenty more to go. There was only 2 that came through, or 3 that came through. John, Making Sales, and Boba. There we go. Mr. Owens got it. I guess YouTube's got big issues with you apparently.
WHLR.
Hyre still grinding up a little bit. It's at 131 now. Came off the 9 and the 5. 140 was the pre-market high. Looks very, very thick though. Like every level is 100K, 40K, 30K, 50K, 26K, 96K. But it is the only thing that looks decent. Apdn had monkeypox news. It looked decent. Got up to a breakout level and then they just absolutely smashed it. Discipline, you're probably coming up on 1 month. You'll get the new emblem soon. I think it's been almost a month. Isee. What was the news on that? Because it is like way down now. Positive top line data. Okay. Yeah, it's just hard fading off here. There we go. YouTube's just taking its sweet time. Joe with the gifted. And if you missed it earlier, I did say I gotta leave like 10-ish minutes early today. Not gonna be a huge deal. But 10-ish minutes early. We're gonna go to the anatomy scan for the second baby Zoe. So we get to see the baby this morning. But yeah, I'll be heading out around 9:50 instead of 10. Gotta remake my account though, remember? Yep, I remember. Yeah. No, I feel like you should. You're here every day. I feel like it should give you one. Surprised it hasn't given Jordan one or Mick. So Hyre's just like moving in slow motion right now. If you told me the market was closed on this and this is where it closed at on Friday, I would believe you. Like that's how slow it's moving. So you can do it a couple different ways. The only thing is if you're on iPhone, it charges you more just because you're buying it through Apple. But you can do it right here. Membership or membership gifting. Let's see if...
NCLH.
Okay, no. Yeah, you can do it either right here underneath the chat, or you can do it under the join button. But if you're on iPhone, it's a little bit harder if you want to avoid the $6.99 charge, which is just Apple literally getting extra money. You only have the gifting button because you already have a membership. That's why. That would be why.
Hyre.
So Hyre back under 130 now. So we still got 5 memberships just floating out there waiting. Yeah, it does. So once you get to your 1 month from the day you sub is when it resubs. Not exactly like the month, the calendar month. MBRX orphan drug designation for treatment of glioblastoma. MBRX. Looks very thin. Mick, do you have your gifted turned on? I feel like you should have gotten one. You're here every day. Watching blue through 7 and 725 has room. Okay. Pull it up down here. I've traded blue before. This is usually one that kind of trades with the market a little bit, right? Even though it didn't really fade off. It faded off a little bit, but... Oh, you don't think so? Yeah, just click the gift at the top where it shows he gifted and make sure it has allow gifts on. I want to make sure these don't just, you know, disappear. Make sure people actually get them since he gifted them.
GBIO.
Only bad thing, oh, here's the jam. The only bad thing about holiday weekend when you get back to the desk, yeah, I feel so out of place. I don't remember what ran last week. I have no idea.
Ruby.
Not a clue. Yeah, so like you said, through 725, it's in a good level. Got the wick up here at 8. Through the 200 now, so it's confirmed over the 200 SMA. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but it's okay. Just enjoy the song. Apdn may be a candidate for open too, if it's just kind of sitting on the bottom and it hasn't popped. Oh, you can hear? Okay, sweet. That's what I like to hear. OBS may boost, you know, the not seeing where to turn gifted on.
MGAN.
Are you on desktop? Or are you on mobile? Kinda is finicky. You're on desktop? Yeah, it should be, just click on the join button underneath the video. And then there's 3 dots on the top that show up. Click on that, go to gifting settings, click on allow. So there's still 5 gifted subs out there just waiting to be had to the channel.
SXTC.
So yeah, I'll pull it up one more time. It's right here. Hit the dots, gift settings, on. Or you can go here, and I think it's under, yeah, it'll pull the same thing up, gift settings. Or you can click on where he gifted, and it should say allow gifts on this channel as well. So Apdn potentially set up for open. If it'll trade sideways here, I may take a stab at it at open. Hyre, insanely heavy. Take the volume down a little bit now. Hyre is a very, very heavy one. It is trending up. It's holding 9 on the 5. REVG ENC drives forward with its next generation zero emission buses. Oh, it doesn't? Okay, that's weird. I've seen that on, maybe it's only a mobile thing that where you're clicking where he gifted. I don't understand why that's not on to begin with. Like, why is that not a standard thing? Like, why would you not allow gifting? Why would you not allow something free to come your way? Okay, yeah, so just do it under the join video thing then. ISEE, we were looking at that earlier. Still hanging around the 50 on the 5. They have positive top line results this morning. They were like looking ugly. So maybe people are just unloading. People that have been bagging, you know. They had it all the way down at 9. Now it popped back up to 12. They're just kind of unloading a little bit. If it wasn't 2022, I'd say this is going to curl right here. Push up to maybe 1225, 1230.
Hyre.
Let's see what it does.
Cold.
Big refresh. All right, see ya. Yeah, it's so slow, man. I'm just poking at different things to see if they'll move, and they're not moving. How's it going, Isee? So Hyre back to 132 now, slow and steady. Yeah, I really don't know what happens if these extra 5 aren't given away. yeah, I really hope that the market grinds up a little bit, at least. I'd be happy if I just made my $10 back.
MBRX.
Oh my gosh, every time something starts to break out, all the bids just get completely wiped. I would sell right here for 90 bucks. If I can get out. I'm not gonna throw up on ass though, because as soon as I throw up 1,000 ass, it'll kill the whole thing.
REVB.
Come on. You see every bid that pops up 1180 or higher is just absolutely demolished. Okay, there's a 2K hero bid. Is he enough? Screw it. No such thing as a breakout. Yeah, that's really bad. The Friday was strange. Friday was very strange. Did you get it to work, Mick? By the way, I don't understand why JD doesn't have one. Like, I don't get what's going on with these gifteds. You could be brand new to the channel. It doesn't matter. Oh, so if you click on join, Mick, and click on those 3 dots that pop up, it doesn't say gift settings for you. Okay, Hyre's actually going now. I feel like this whole
Ruby.
yeah, I don't think mine shows up there either. I don't know why it's so complicated. Just like on Twitch, there's no requirement to turn anything on. I don't understand why you would need to turn on something to allow something free to you. Doesn't make any sense at all. So Hyre gonna have 1-4 resistance again. This thing's been slow. This thing's been heavy, but it held the 9 and VWAP. Now it's starting to push its way up towards 1-4. Isee decided to go. Just you guys saw it. It was just being terrible. It would not pop through, and I wasn't gonna sit there and stare at it and watch it go right back down to even again. So it finally popped over 12. Now it's selling back off again, but that's so weird though. There's 5 free ones out there and they're not giving them away. That's what's annoying me. Has learned more about memberships and report perks.
Isee.
What? That makes no sense. Yeah, that's what was happening to JD's account before. He had like a brand account or something. Like, I've never even heard of that. Very stupid. I don't understand. Very, very stupid. Yeah, I don't get it. I don't get why it's not giving you one now. Yours is on. Yours is literally on, and it's not giving these last 5 away. So ISEE, I guess, is a potential at open play. Usually it's the ones that sell off even more. That's like not even remotely in play. Ruby's still in play. Hyre's near highs. What was the other? Apdn maybe. Yeah. Yeah, the more honestly, we may have enough to add, or we should have enough now for me to add some more emojis in. What are you guys thinking? What do you want?
REVB.
Okay, so 9 a.m. news.
Adil.
Tilray, a little PR with German regulators to kick off to legalize adult use cannabis in Germany. ADIL announced positive in vivo non-clinical data. MBOT got a patent.
E-Man.
Some live streamer signs exclusive deal with Rumble and drops YouTube. Yep, ISE 12, over 12 now.
SLQT, Hyre. CFBI.
Hey, did you figure it out? Or did you join? You joined. Okay. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks, Mick. Appreciate it. Welcome to the inner circle. If you're an MTA, you also get access to that new room too.
EIGR. Adil.
ADIL, getting volume on that news. It's only 60-cent stock. 5 less gas station cigars a month. All right. Well, I appreciate it, Meg. Thank you. Appreciate it. The support. I'm still waiting for those 5 other gifted to come through. I don't get it. I don't know what kind of game they're playing this morning. It's being super slow. Hey.
QH.
So Hyre, reject 1.4 again. I guess it's sort of forming a 5-minute ascending here. So 140 being the top. You got your bottom end trend roughly right there. So a little ascending on Hyre. It's this thick in pre-market though. How thick's it gonna be at open? You know?
9,
How thick is it gonna be at open? So Apdn, Hyre, Isee. All in play. Isee got its biggest 5-minute stick right here, and it really didn't move up that much, which is not usually a good sign. Apdn, is that still near 3? Yeah, it's just kind of sitting there. So Apdn may be the one. You know how we had Drug at open on Friday, and it worked out. Drug, pre-market, had news, faded all the way off to right here, and then it had a good push at open. Apdn, similar, not exact, but you know, had the push, faded back. It's not really all the way down at the bottom now, but it did fade back. Hate'll get more news on that. Or more volume, I mean, sorry, on the news. So that was the news. Positive in vivo, non-clinical data. I guess the daily was really dead, so that's probably why it's bouncing a little bit. The daily had sold off so much.
SXTC.
So yeah, I've got room for one more emoji. What do you guys think I should add? I'll add it this evening. What goes well with the channel? Isee's getting more volume now. It's struggling with 12 though.
Hyre.
It really is struggling with 12. This almost looks like a bear flag right here. It's not really straight down. So if you see like a candle go straight down and then push up like this and then straight down again, that's more of like a textbook bear flag.
KT. Left EG. INM. PBR, SLQT.
Yeah, figure that out for us, JD. I don't understand what's going on. I know there are people in here right now that are not members that could get one. This is your favorite song? It's called Love HZ by Harris Heller.
HPH.
I love this playlist, man. I love it. It's just called Stream Beats by Harris Heller. and it's got at least like 60 songs on it. Let me look. See if it even says how many it's got. Oh, 211 songs. So it's got 4 hours of songs in it. I need to start going to shuffle. Some of it's really hard dubstep though, which I'm not like, that doesn't really fit the mood.
Green.
I'm gonna put a message in MTA to see if everybody comes in, that it may give a chance to get the gifted. There's people getting paid for the gifted subs, but they aren't all getting handed out, and the people that bought them aren't getting refunds when they go nowhere. Okay, that's not good. I don't want to hear that.
Haru.
He gifted before, though. I'm pretty sure you gifted 10 last time, and it handed them out. I'm going to put it on Twitter, too. Maybe if more people come in,
NA.
it'll have a chance. It better not. So I'll show it one more time just to try to get those 5 more to people and it doesn't go just away. Go to, if you're on desktop, go to the join button here. Click the 3 dots. Go to gift settings. Make sure allow gifts on this channel is on. And I'll do it one more time. Join button underneath. 3 dots. Gift settings. Allow gifts. And hopefully it gives away the last 5. I really hope it does. Speaking of the heavy dubstep, we have arrived. So let's see. Oil's up 1% today. I saw something over the weekend on oil. Maybe turn it off, turn it back on. There's still 5 just floating out into the void. So make sure it's on. I know it's been a few minutes now, but surely it would still give it to it. I mean, there's still 5 that have yet to be given out. It makes no sense. It's honestly kind of frustrating.
GMVD.
Yeah, you had yours on the whole time. Oh no. So it's just like mixed. Why is it not showing that? That makes no sense. And you are logged in, of course, because I see your name. Yeah, it's under the join button. Hey, what's up, JR Saint? We got 5 gifted memberships that are still just floating in the void here. I like my own video. On this screen, Steven. I feel like I'm going over this more than I'm going over trading this morning. It's okay though. Under the join button, click the 3 dots, gift settings, make sure it's on. I want the people to get these last 5, you know, I don't want it to go to the void. Or you can click on this, I think, and click on membership, and then the 3 dots and gift settings.
STN.
I don't get it. I don't get it. So Hyre is starting to break below the ascending triangle on the 5-minute. Try to get back to trading a little bit here.
MQY.
Yeah, there's plenty of people. Like JR should get one. Steven, JD. Yeah, for real, Broda. I'm about to make a whole video on how to accept gifts on the YouTube channel. Oh my gosh. So it should automatically give it out. As long as you have gifted on, it should be giving it out for free. There's still 5 more. I hope they haven't like expired or just kind of disappeared. Because Steven gifted 10. It's memberships to the channel, JR. That's what we've been talking about. We haven't even been talking about stocks today. We have not been talking about stocks. We have just been straight up talking about gifted subs and how to accept them and why YouTube's not giving them out. Yada yada. Hey, Fernurky, what's up?
YPD.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if the market flushes today. I really hope it doesn't. Really hope it doesn't.
Hyre.
I don't know. Maybe they just disappeared. No trade Fridays and no Wordle today. Yeah, I haven't done Wordle yet either. Hey, there you go. Just average down. Keep averaging down.
MMU.
Oh my god, that stretch was like insane. Hyre getting volume now. 917.40. On her actual birthday, we just hung out here. We did a birthday cake. We ate. And then for on Sunday, we went out to one of her favorite restaurants, the Mexican restaurant. And we did it with the family. And then went back to her parents' house. We did a birthday cake again. She got 2 birthday cakes this year. All right, guys, I'm going to step away for like 2 or 3 minutes, go feed the dogs, grab Dr. Pepper, and then we'll get ready for open, see what's going on. Hyre is breaking out of the ascending triangle. So it went kind of below. I guess I could tweak it, but sure. Guess I could tweak it right there.
YVR.
Birthday month, yeah. Okay, I'll be right back.
NUTX. Hyre. Hyre. INTR. Ruby. BRFS. SDC. BIAF. INM. POWW. Hyre. BTB. HEPS.
All right. Here we go. Oh, wow, I just flipped that. So, I think we just need one more now. We got JD, DT Earth gifted, Steven got a gifted, and JT got a gifted. So, I think there's only one more. If I'm counting it right. So, we're getting there. Finally. Finally. We're getting there. Did you turn yours on, JR? Yeah, you got one, JD. One more to go. I bet I had. Did I have the absolute bottom? Oh my. What? What is this? I had right here 1180,
Stem.
and it was pulling this BS. Had an upside down hammer, then a push up, then a red candle, then a push up. Nike swoosh action. This is a bear flag breakout. Did it get pushed by another YouTube channel?
Momo. OIG. BLRX.
All right, so thank God those gifts aren't going nowhere. They finally pushed through 4 more. Took its sweet time, that's for sure.
MKD.
I can't believe that. I guess, you know, buy, hold, and hope. Just like I've been talking about. You just buy it and just assume that it's either going to go to the moon or going to go, like, just to zero. Market's starting to fade into open. 393.75 right now. Oil's still up 1.3%. Hyre, it tried to break out. It's still rejecting 140 heavy. Yeah, the market's fading right now. Fading into open here.
Cost. OPK.
I'm not sure exactly what to watch now in the open with the market fading off this hard. Blue's still hanging around, not really doing anything though. Pre-market higher. Yeah, APDN is a watch for sure. Maybe come down to 3. A little ASMR for you guys.
STN. EQOS.
Higher. Still within its little ascending triangle here. It's gonna wait till open though. Could have a fake out breakout. Could have a hammer candle. Could have a true breakout. We'll see. We will see.
THTH cold.
All right, market fading kind of hard here. Hyre trying to push to 140, but look at this. Look at this ugly action. So we got about 2 minutes to the bell.
Check.
And remember, all the new members, be sure to link your Discord and your YouTube to get access to the role of the Inner Circle in MTA. right, we got about 1 minute left. He'll open. Market's falling. APDN did hit 3, so we'll be watching that. APDN Hyre, Isee. Go ahead and turn the volume of the music down just a little so we can focus on the scanner. So we got the scanner on, ready to roll. Hyre still in the ascending triangle. Isee just kind of swooshing. Blue up near 7. APDN dropping to 3. Market dropping to 393. You guys didn't just see that. I did not just spill the Dr. Pepper in my lap. Didn't happen. No one saw anything.
Hyre.
Saw anything. All right, APDM dropped to 290. Hammering just a little bit. Let's try this again. Hyre up through 140, so it might be the fake out breakout.
ESEA, EURN, SPRO, OGN, USAS, NXE, EVM.
So ugly candle there, ugly candle here. Let's see, maybe ICE will get the hammer from right here. Ah, man.
DTST, WWR.
VWAP just does not ever bounce anymore.
TBT, APEI.
So ISE straight down so far. Market's bouncing.
UK.
Market's bouncing off the bottom here.
STR.
Blue pulling back.
DHT, CFBI, Gene.
APDN, it was too fast for me to grab, but it dropped to 290, hammered up to 310 now.
Hyre, AFIB, UMDT, PSFE plus.
Watch this thing will bounce now. What else is in play?
BHG, ONBO, CTMX, HYW, EPOW, FRO, EURN, NUTX.
Hold on a second.
ACT, Orla, ISE, APDN, FWBI.
God, dogs are going absolute nuts. Okay, blue, really ugly candle here for some reason. ISE, no bounce in sight. NERV straight down. APDN. Thought that would be the one it opened, but it did a little bit different action than I expected. It had a quick flush to which I could not buy. It literally happened right at 9:30. I'd had to have my bid in. And then hammered up, pushed through here. Now it's already fading.
Hyre. Boss. EZFL, MITQ. WDH, Adiru. LTCHWBI.
I'm looking for something. I don't really see anything.
CTMX, SIM. Manu. USEG, Sun.
Did you happen to get APDN on the bottom there, or did you just picked it up just now?
SPRO, CTV, Acore, Proc, PLX, UZAC, DRTS, LFST, NUTX,
Yeah. Siga is down 4% right now.
Ruby,
Looking real ugly.
SOBR, ISE, Q,
Yeah, just be careful with it, but if you look like you're in a decent spot on it, but
LPTX,
ISEE, I had the spot, but just it fell all the way down through VWAP, through the 9, through the 20, all the way down to the 50 SMA on the 5.
HTZWW,
How are you supposed to trade that?
DRTS, CRGY, ISEAL, Aku, NAT,
Heavy shorting. It looks like at 13 on ISEE.
Fro, IDAI, USEG, CELU, OSTI, CMPX,
I'm just being patient. I really don't see anything.
NUTX,
Yeah, ISEE, something weird's going on.
EURN, TNK, DK, LTH, COGT,
USEG just had an S3 drop.
Toy,
The market's trying to hold on.
ABEO, EXFY,
Yeah, ISEE. What the heck is going on here? Now it pushes through.
ISE, BLNGS,
I tried to catch bottom. I thought bottom was here though, 1250. You know, it fell from 1350 to 1250 on VWAP on the 9, and it wanted to go, 30 cents lower than that. It's really close to a halt.
HLTH,
If we can get through 1350 right here, it'll halt. Nope, couldn't do it.
SKYX,
Market trying to low of day here.
CRBU,
Yeah, it took too long for it to happen. Still might halt though. It's at 1385.
SOBR,
I had 1180 on this earlier.
NAMCU, Press, AUTL, URG, VAXX, Pair, ABOS, CHNR, EPOW, BLCM, UDMY, Volt, EPOW,
Man, everything looks horrible today.
UZ, URA, Fro, CTMX, SYPR,
Guess we really need to see if the market's truly going to fade off here or if it's going to bounce. Looks pretty ugly. Looks pretty ugly right now.
WEAV, NUTX, ISE, CNTG,
I see $14.
Stay, NUZ, CREG, SES,
Looking to see where the market may bounce, but it's struggling.
CELU, RVP,
Yeah, I just wait usually for the price action on bio news because like positive headlines sometimes can be bad. You know, I've seen it happen before.
Fro, THRY, Gas,
Hey, it's Gabon. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Welcome in. Thanks for tuning in.
LFST, SHCR,
So I'm gonna be leaving in about 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes.
TNP, Kano Plus,
I don't know if we'll have a trade before then.
XLO, CIH, IDBA,
Yeah, usually price action will determine like how the market reacts to it, I guess you could say.
NUTX, HTZWW, Sava, SKYX, ATHD,
What did Saba do? Yep, that is a classic Saba open, especially with the market falling off.
Toy,
Apple Love Day.
Roy Vu, GROY,
Market Love Day.
SGLY, CRGY, KSPN, CLAQ,
What's up with NUTX? It's at 50 SMA resistance, but it's been climbing all morning. You watching APDN again? Okay.
TNP, SES, RMT, ESEA,
Excuse me.
CORR, ABCT, FWBI, ARHS, SHCR, VAXX,
Man, I don't see anything that I want to play.
APDN, ARAB,
APDN is trying to bounce a little bit.
FWBI,
All the rest of the monkeypox ones look horrendous, though.
CMCL,
I mean, SIGA's bouncing a little bit off the bottom, but it just dropped from 15 to 13, basically.
APEI, BTX, PDEX, Note,
FWBI is doing something.
ADT, NEOV, QNGY, EXN, SGHC, I, NRBO, INFA, APGN, GRNA, CDRE, RNLX, BTTR,
Sava straight up. Market straight down. And that's really all that I see. FWBI is trying to do something. I'm not sure what that something is, but it's trying to do something.
SES Plus.
Market just waterfalling right now. Just waterfalling. Sava continuing to push higher.
SHPA TNP SBET EFTR NEOB FWBI.
Hyre trying to come off the 20 on the 5 here. Really don't like action on anything though today. I really don't.
IBRX.
Gonna give it like 5 more minutes.
Hyre.
You got 301 to what? What it bounced to? Oh, back up to 320. I'm honestly surprised it's bouncing like this simply because Diga and the rest of the monkeypox ones are like dead right now.
APGN. CDRE. GRTX.
See if Sava decides to just go all the way to 30 this morning.
TCRT. FWBI. IMRX. DGHI. ACLX.
Hey, appreciate it. Congrats to you.
MRKR. INTT.
I'm excited. Excuse me. I'm excited about the girl. I mean, it's just gonna be different, you know. I got the boy, now the girl's coming, so it's gonna be a completely different experience. FWBI straight up.
DRTSW.
I was trying to play it a second ago, and it just wicked down and got me. It was at trading at like 415. It wicked all the way to 4.
FWBI. FWBI. THRY. LFST. ENIC. GHSI. LFST. SBET.
Market continuing to go lower. Sava's still hanging around. See if it goes high day again. It's trying to. 2680 up to bat.
Gyro. FWBI.
So Hyre rejected again. FWBI just keeps going. It had to be ugly in that 415 range, or I'd still probably be in.
FGBI.
Sava coming up on 27 here.
BNKD.
2690.
NUTX. Manu. Aku.
FWBI 450 now.
Adil. GRTX. ENIC. GBS. ISE.
Okay, now a little pullback on FWBI. Isee still a little action. Market still looks horrendous. Sava still looks very strong though.
CBL, APDN. ESEA. EIGR.
There's Sava Hyre day.
GRTX.
A lot of random stuff going today. A lot of random stuff.
FWBI.
Wow, is APDN high of day? Intraday high on APDN. I'm very shocked. I did not think it was going to go without the lead dogs.
DALN.
Chart looks very, very ugly, but it worked.
DALN.
Yeah, FWBI got a nice little pop there. 27 break on Sava. 27.20.
SBET.
I always pull up LGVN and a couple of the other ones with ACIU whenever Sava starts to go nuts, just in case, you know. But it's not going nuts yet. It's up 10%. But Sava has some crazy days out of nowhere sometimes.
FWBI.
Okay, APDN. It got as high as 330. Now it's all the way back down to 314.
DALN. SYBX. Manu. SHPH. SES Plus. ATXG.
All right, guys. I'm going to call it.
FST.
Appreciate you guys hanging out. Thanks for the likes, the comments, all the new members. Hopefully that one more gifted sub will come through eventually on somebody. So just make sure you have the gifteds turned on. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Peace.